Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to create a shared Google Drive folder step by step. To do this, it's so easy. You just need to go and click on New, after that New Folder, or you need to click with the right click and click on choose new folder, give a name to this folder. For example, I will give it a name new and click create. And as you can see, our new folder is created. After that, go and click on the three dots on the right of the folder and choose share. And after that, click again on share. And as you can see here, you have two options. You can add the people groups and calendar events, like with whom you want to share this folder, or you can give access by link. And to give access by link, you go to restricted and click anyone with link and copy your link and choose the access, if this access will be viewer, commenter, or editor. And after that, click done. And like that, your folder is shared. And if the folder is shared, as you can see, there is this icon with a person inside it. For example, this folder, also YouTube folder, is shared, but test2, this folder is not shared. That's why you don't see any person inside the folder icon. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.